Spring brings out the flowers, but it also brings out the storms. With the increase in storms, it's important to make sure your house is covered.
Yeah, it is. Our Charity Johnson spoke with a local insurance agent at the Mississippi Board of Contractors about next steps if your property is damaged, and she joins us in the studio with more.
If you have a mortgage, it's required that you have homeowners insurance, but Alfa-Insurance says it's also good to have it just in case anything goes wrong. It's severe weather season, and with that comes the risk of storm damage. Heath Zachary is an Alfa-Insurance agent in Columbus. He says all homeowners insurance covers external storm damage. However, the amount you have to pay out of pocket is what he says to look out for.
Make sure that whatever your deductible is something that you can afford in the case of something going on or occurring due to a storm.
Though flooding is a risk that comes with storms, it requires separate insurance.
Flood insurance is a totally separate policy as opposed to a basic home insurance policy. Flood, of course, is only going to cover you if water is rising from the ground up. That is what flood insurance does.
Stephanie Lee is the executive director for Mississippi State Board of Contractors. She says choosing the right contractor is important when handling property damage.
Don't rush into those repairs. Always get 2 to 3 estimates. Make sure you're comparing the services that they're offering.
Lee says to beware of fraudulent contractors trying to scam you. She also shares some red flags to look out for.
Asking for cash money up front so that they can get started on your job quicker. A lot of high pressure sales tactics trying to get you to rush into going ahead and making a decision.
Any residential repairs over $10,000 and any commercial repairs over $50,000, including roofing, are required to be done by a state licensed contractor. Lee also suggests vetting your contractor and asking for references. One way to vet your contractors is through the Mississippi State Board of Contractors website.